Just subscribe to Manus AI and not sure where your free credits went? Here's the simple way to check them. Start by opening your Manus AI account dashboard, either on the web or app. Go to your profile or account section, where your subscription details are shown. There, you will see your credit balance split into different types, such as monthly credits, daily refresh credits, and any bonus or free credits. Your free credits are usually used first before subscription credits, so they may not show separately if they've already been consumed. Next, look for a usage or billing tab in your account. This section shows how many credits you've used and how many are left for your current billing cycle. If you don't see free credits clearly, remember that they are often included in the total balance and automatically used in order, so everything appears as one combined number. Now you know how to check your Manus AI free credits after subscription by opening your account, checking your balance, and viewing your usage in the billing section.